Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can delete your social club account. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open any browser you want and simply search for Rockstar Social Club. Finally, once you have done that, go ahead and click on the first link. Now finally, once you have logged in into your social club account, this is the page you're going to be. On the top right, there is going to be your profile icon. You're simply going to click on that, and over here there's going to be a button that says help. Simply hover your mouse over it and this menu will pop up. You simply want to go ahead and click on support. Finally, once you have done that, over here you simply want to go ahead and click on social club, and once you have done that, over here you want to simply search for delete my account, like so, and click on search. Once you have done that, it's gonna show you some articles. Simply click on the first one. It will basically give you a information that by deleting account, these are the things that you are choosing to delete. You're gonna lose access to your friend list, games, and more. So just make sure you go ahead and read it, and if you're ready to go ahead and delete your account, simply click on this link. Now once you have done that, over here you want to simply click on delete account and information, and once you have done that, you'll have to go ahead and submit a web ticket, so click on that. And so you're going to be on this page right over here, and now it says that you must confirm your identity, so please reply to this message via the email which was used to create this account. So don't reply here. Instead, go ahead and open your Gmail. Open the Gmail account that has your social club, and simply on the email they have sent, as you can see, I am simply going to click on reply and just write I confirm that this is my account. And that's it. You have to simply click on send. And finally, once you have sent your email through, simply go to this page again, and now go ahead and refresh it. And now, as you can see, once you have reloaded, there is going to be your email right over here. I confirm that this is my account, and now they're gonna simply go ahead and delete your account. This may take up to 30 days, but that is it. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.